Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to bold text in Viber, and now let's dive right in. Now to bold text in Viber, first open up your Viber app and open up the chat box of the person on which you want to bold your text. So I'll be opening my friend's chat box over here. After opening your contact or your friend's chat box on which you want to bold text, there are two ways you can do it, guys. Either type your text over here like this, and you will be able to select that text like this, guys. And if the bold is not available on this box after selecting your text, guys, it will be at the three dotted icon just beside the selector. Tap on that three dotted icon and the bold will be available for us now. But if you want to select all of these text to make it bold, let's select all, and you can see, guys, the bold option is available for us over there and not on the three dotted side. So let's go back and let's bold it, and with that you can see, guys, the text has been bolded. And if you send that message to that person, the text will be sent by bold text, and it is this. And another way you can bold your text is by just tapping an asterisk mark and typing in your text which you want to bold and ending it with the asterisk mark. By this way also, guys, your text on Viber will be bold, and when you send that message will be on bold text. And these are the ways you will be able to bold text in Viber, guys. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.